Honorable Economy Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh applied the policy of LPG liberalization, privatization. It was good. But what happened to those the people or the new investors, new entrepreneurs who wants to start their business in our country? They do not start their, or they do not initiate their own business in our country nowadays. It needs too much effort, it needs too much money and bribe to attend the.
So, Mr. Saslov, as you told about the privatization, I really agree with this thing. Because of that, they have to struggle too much. They're facing many problems, but we can't understand this thing. But
Why we
sometimes,
cannot understand why we are giving vote to our country, why the UPSC exams are being appeared, why the NEET exams are being appeared, why the
it's a agreeable
SSC
point,
exam,
but it
why
should be
in
understood by
India,
everyone, not from us.
where is Indian government, where they are
Okay,
spending our
according to
money?
you, what the changes come in India?
You
What?
tell me. This is your one. Why should I tell? The changes.
As you told,
There is.
I will tell
India
you.
is still
First,
okay.
I ask what
Okay.
thing.
There is a gap between from 1991 to 2021. There is 30 years of gap.
Yeah.
Still, India is a developing country. Am I right or not? Still, India is a developing country. We are not. We have not become a developed country. Still, we are running after the.
So why
IMF
we
and
are following
taking
those things?
loans
So
from
just
IMF
because
and-
of them, we are not developing.
Why?
What is the reason behind of that we can't
No,
develop
no,
a country?
your teammates are saying that
I really don't care about my team
Okay,
members. It's my
okay,
turn.
care
Talk to
about
me.
yourself. Okay, you are saying that we implemented LPG to make our country rich. Okay, to increase our economy rates. Good. Okay, you are saying about that now. So why India
I
still
did not
why
say,
India is still
even my
developing the
team
country?
members also did not say that we took the loan from the IMF for making a
Okay,
country
oh,
rich. We just
okay.
took the loan for enhance the condition
You just
of
said
the
we
India.
had only economy growth for 15 days. You
What
just said that.
I never said it.
2 weeks. Your teammates are saying. Okay, why LPG was implemented by Manmohan Singh and the Prime Minister PV Narasimha Rao?
It was the policy of that bank when you took the loan. You have to accept some policies. That was a policy which was applied by them, and we have to accept this thing just because
Why?
for taking the loan.
Okay, loan.
Exactly.
Okay, that's why she was saying that we did not take any loan, and now she is accepted that we have taken the loan.
You
Thank
are
you.
confused. I did not say it. I say this thing that we took the loan, but as you told about this privatization and the globalization, the side effects of it, but why we can't see that the good effects of it?
Tell me good effects.
Just because of
Tell me
that,
good effects.
the India GDP has good on the good levels.
Still 80 crores people are taking ration from the government.
So what is the bad in it?
What bad in it? Wow. Wow. We are going. Okay, it's not bad.
Tell me.
Okay.
Just clear it.
We are becoming beggars of our own government. We are becoming beggars. We are begging from our government.
So why we
And saying
always
that
choose
we are-
that government? Just because of that, we are being beggars.
And you are taking part of LPG still. You are saying
I'm not
that.
taking a part of LPG. I'm just telling
Okay,
the
you are
side
against of
effects and the good
LPG?
effects.
You are against
I'm
of
not in
LPG?
a favor of anything.
She is against of LPG. She has taken that. I am not taking part of LPG. Hope you are
I am just telling the things, a good or the bad.
good or the
If
bad.
I will take it apart, so I will not enhance this thing and I can change this thing.
Very
We're just
good.
talking and we are just
She's good.
here to throw the knowledge about the people. From